I know, the title of this video sounds absolutely crazy, right? Be delusional, right? That kind of goes against everything that you thought to be true, right? You thought delusional people were crazy. And I'm not telling you be delusional in the crazy way. I'm telling you to be delusional in how you see yourself now. Okay? We live in a world now where no one really cares about you. No one really cares what you do, how you act, and no one cares about you. Okay? You have very few people who truly care about you. You know, if you're lucky, there's only two people who currently care about you, and that is your mum and your dad. Okay, your mother especially has a true care for you. Outside of that, absolutely no one else. So why do you care about what they think? Okay, now I want you to imagine this. Imagine you're walking down the street, right? You've got £10 million in the bank account. You're wearing the freshest clothes, about to hop in your nice car. You're telling me that you wouldn't feel confident, you wouldn't be able to do so many different things, you wouldn't be able to go up and speak to that random girl or go and do so and so, right? So, you need to be delusional and tell yourself that it does not matter what you have now, you can do anything, okay? You kind of have to live in this mindset where you do have that now. You do. I am this major successful person. Everything's going well for me. I can do whatever I want. I can do this. I can talk to that person. I can go there. Right? There's nothing holding you back. So why do you put these own limiting factors on yourself? Right? Do you know when you go and buy like new clothes and you wear it out and you think, yeah, this is nice. Like, a lot. The main reason people like to wear designer clothes is because how they feel in it. They feel like they're cool. They feel like people look at them, right? That's all it is. This just wearing this, materialistic thing gives them this superpower, right? They don't really care what happens. So you need to get into that mindset now, even if you don't have those luxuries, okay? Being delusional in the sense of not caring what people think and will do anything that is needed to be done, right? And if you get into that mindset, you kind of become unstoppable, right? You become absolute unstoppable. And, it's obviously being delusional is often seen as this bad thing, but in this sense, it's a superpower and you can control it yourself and be delusional with how you see yourself. And I'm not telling you to go and do absolute stupid things with this, but you kind of need to, you go into the gym and you kind of have to walk in there and feel like you are just the absolute biggest person in there, right? You're the most successful person in there. What are they going to do to you? They ain't got as much money as you. What are they going to do, right? That's how you be. And once you get into this mindset, honestly, there's no stopping you. Like, if you go into the gym and there's loads of people there, a few of you, not all of you, a few of you will probably be scared, intimidated, not wanting to go and do the bench press, not wanting to go and squat because what if this happens, right? But imagine you rocked up to the gym, it was absolutely full, but you've just parked your Ferrari outside, right? And you've got your boys with you, you've got the entourage with you, you're wearing that nice Patek Philippe, right? You don't care. You're going to do whatever. It doesn't matter. Right? This is how you need to see yourself. You need to see yourself as what you want to be. Right? That is the main message. You see yourself now as what you want to be. Okay? And if you keep seeing yourself that way, eventually you will become that way. And as long as you're getting the work done, it will happen. Right? It will absolutely happen because you need to start programming and reprogramming your brain to leave behind those toxic thoughts of how you saw yourself, right? And if there's anyone in your life that still sees you as the way they used to see you, they don't know you now, right? Or they don't really want to learn who you are now. They're still, an outside acquaintance and they see you as the kid from school or they see you from the kid as uni or the kid who used to work at the office, right? get rid of them. Don't have them. Don't associate with them, because they're going to really affect your mindset. And you want to use this power, right, to really not care about outside energy and only care about what you do, right? The other thing too is you only care about you, right? Don't care about what everyone or anyone else is saying about you, whether they're giving you compliments or whether they're giving you criticism, right? You are going to use either of them as an excuse to be lazy. Whilst you're building, and you are building new things, and you are starting the foundations of your empire, most of those outside voices are going to be trying to pull you back to normality, okay? And you don't want that. So you just go, yeah, sure, okay. In one ear, out the other, right? Because it's an excuse to get lazy. If someone compliments you and say, wow, your business is going really well, you're doing this really well, you're going to think, that's true. What's on the to-do list? Nah, I'm not going to do that. You only judge yourself based upon the actions that you have done. If you have ended your day and you've done everything on your to-do list, you can go, shit, yeah, I'm really happy with that. And you judge yourself. And if you haven't done it, you judge yourself in a bad way. Only you know yourself truly, and only you truly care about yourself. So you want to envision yourself as who you want to be and be delusional in that sense, okay? And you want to be the sole judge of yourself, okay? And you do that based upon the actions and your output.